Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Agus Cahyadi from Research Institute for Ornamental Fish Culture Depok, and my colleague Mr. Riza Zulkarnain from Center for Fisheries Research Jakarta, Indonesia. We are from Agency of Marine and Fisheries Research and Human Resources Development, Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries. My presentation is application of aeration injection to increase dissolved oxygen of surface water in the floating net cage. My outline presentation consists of 5 points. The first, the fact finding. The second, ADL engine. The third, methodology. And the fourth, result. And the last, the fifth, the conclusion. My research aims related to inject dissolved oxygen into the surface layer of the reservoir or dam by applying the ADL engine. Indonesia name is mesin aerator 2 lapis with gasoline. This picture describe the position Cirata Reservoir or dam. Look at from imagery, a satellite. I'm fine about the fact finding in the location related to the field. We have three problems. Consists of the high voltage related to an electrical motor operation is driven by high risk AC or alternating current electrical system, and the second related to crossing cables. The cables cross point to point between the floating cage KGA, and the last open area, because the location mostly the open area in potential location that driven air from low pressure to high pressure to result rain cloud and the storm. And the second fact finding too related in the location in the field consists of 3 problems. The first about the fish death. Mass fish death often occur whose ammonia concentration is the above the average, which is 0.05 ppm. And the second about the bad smell and eutrophic phenomenon triggers an increase in the value of ammonia above the threshold, so that fish death occur every season change. And the last about the alga bloom. The high organic triggers alga growing more faster. This is the slide related to ADL engine. What is ADL engine function? It is the gasoline consumption. This is the gasoline consumption engine. That an air injection to water surface layer become dissolved oxygen. This slide consists of 5 points. The first about the engine. The engine is 4-stroke, used to generate for low RPM and high RPM. The second related to knockdown. Its component can be knocked down by plug and unplug system, every components. And third about the air recoil. This is the related to the air enter by filter system, result better engine performs. And the fourth about the portable. ADL is the 7.5 kg weight that move to point to point. That move to point between some floating cage KGA. And the last related to impeller. The impeller that sucks in outside air is blown into the water through a pressure change in the venturi system, which produce micro air bubbles. This slide about the methodology. In methodology, the study site take the Cirata Reservoir, West Java, Indonesia, has altitude of 700 above sea level, and the situation in the field. I take the floating net cage. Our Indonesia name is KGL. Specification: the consists of 3 points. The first, the rectangular design. The second dimension, 2 longs, 2 wide, and 2 deep meters. And the second, the last 3 net. The material net made of polyethylene. In the field, I use the ADL to the English term, the 2-layer aeration. Use test on the surface layer. Yeah. This is the engine. Use the gasoline consumption. About the treatment, 3 points consists of 3 points. The first RPM, 15,000 RPM, 45,000 RPM, and 55,000 RPM. And 2 torques, 3.5 Newton per meter square. And the last, the DO value, or dissolved oxygen value, is recorded every 10 to 1044. 1040 minutes. Yeah. The analysis data use statistical ANOVA with single factor P value. And this slide about the result. There are two profile. The point profile, the first profile related to machine rotation versus dissolved oxygen value, and the second profile about profile of dissolved oxygen at certain depth of floating net cage. The first profile describes statistic of the air value at different speed. 1800 RPM, 4500 RPM, and 55,000 RPM. The 1800 RPM rotation produce the O value with low standard and deviation and variation when compared to 40,500 RPM and 5,500 RPM rotation, and statistical using ANOVA with a single factor show that the rotation has very significant effect on the resulting DO value, P less more 0.01. About the second profile related to DO value measured at 4 to 3 hours in aerated floating net cage at a certain depth, 0.4 meters, 1 meters, and 1.5 meters with aerated floating net cage. It means the second profile, the aerated floating net cats have a higher DU value, especially at the depth of 0 meters. The last slide about the conclusion related about the effective and significant injection aeration in around the floating cage consists of 2 points. The first, aerator dua lapis or ADL based on the air injection aeration by using machine has been effective and proven for surface aeration at the certain depth 0.4 meters, 1 meters and 1 meters. The second, the high value of the O generated using ADL is directly proportional or linear to the engine speed that is run, and of course will have an impact on fuel use. Thank you very much.